Welcome back to MJ in the Kitchen, and I'm Mary Jane. And today we're making one of my favorite fair foods, corn dogs, and an added extra twist, corn dog pups. First we're going to mix the dry ingredients. Flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking powder, salt and pepper, and then whisk it together. Now we'll mix the wet ingredients. Milk and 1 egg, and mix it together. Now we're going to mix them both together. Now that the batter is ready, we're going to pour it into a tall glass to make it easier to dip the hot dog in. Be sure to let the batter set for a few moments before you drop it in.
A few moments later.
To make the corn dog pups, we'll take hot dogs and slice them into 4 pieces, and then take each piece individually and dip them into the same batter we used to make the corn dog. Let's try it. That's yummy. Thanks for joining us today. Please be sure to let us know in the comments below how much your family enjoyed today's recipe. Until next time, MJ in the Kitchen.